Hello students of standard 7. Today we will solve examples of LCM. LCM means what? Least common multiple. And least common multiple means the LCM of the given numbers is the smallest number that is divisible by each of the given numbers. Now our first example is find the LCM of 60 and 48. Means we have to find least number which is divisible by 60 and 48 both. So first we will find factors of both numbers. You find out factors of 60 first. We know here 6 tens are. Then 6 means what? 2 into 3 6. 10 means 2 into 5. Then you arrange them like this. First you take smaller number and then go in increasing order. So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12, 12 5 are 60. Then find the factors of 48. 48 2 into 24, 24 2s are 48. Then 2 as it is, and 24 means 2 into 12. Then 2 into 2 as it is. This 12 means 2 into 6. And then 2 into 2 as it is, and factors of 6 are 2 into 3. So in this way find out factors of 60 and 48, and after that what we have to do, find common factors, underline them, 2 and 2. This 2 is common in both numbers. Then one more 2 is there, it is also common in both. Underline the common factors. Then 3 and this 3. After underlining common factors, we have to find LCM. LCM means product of common factor and uncommon factor. Which are the common factors that you write first? 2, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. They are in both numbers, but we have to take only ones which are common. And then write uncommon factors. Here uncommon factor is 5, and in 48 2 and 2. These two are uncommon factors. Write their product and find this product. Now take multiplication. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12, 12 5s are 60, 62s are 120, and 122s are 240. Therefore the LCM is 240. Second example, example number 2. Find the LCM of the LCM of 18, 30 and 50. Using above method, find out factors of 3 numbers. First number is 18. 18 we know 2 9s are. Then 2 into 3, factors of 9 are 3 into 3. Then find factors of 30. 3 10s are. Then 3 into factors of 10 are 2 into 5. Then 50. 5 10s are 5 into 2 into 5 10. So these are the factors. You can arrange these factors like this. Take 2 first, then 3, then 5. Here 2 first, then 5 into 5. So in this way we got factors of 18, 30 and 50. Now we have to find common factors. Now 2 is common in all. So underline 2. Then 3 is here, 3 is here, but it is not in 50. Don't take. Another 3 is here only. Then it is not in 50. Don't take. 5 is in 30 and 50, but it is not in 18. So 5 is not common. Only we got 2 as a common factor. 3 and 5 are not common in all. But 3 is common in 18 and 30. And 5 is common in 30 and 50. So make the symbols like this, then easily we can find. So 2 is common in all, 3 is common in 18 and 30, 5 is common in 30 and 50, and uncommon factors are here 3 and here 5. Now we have to take product of these numbers, common, uncommon and common in two numbers. Therefore LCM is the product of first all common factors. Common factor is 2. Then common factors in two numbers 3. Then 5. After that write uncommon factors. Here 3 and 5 in 50. Now find the product of all these numbers. 2 into 3 6, 6 5s are 30, 33s are 90 and 95s are 450. So the LCM is 450. Therefore LCM of 18, 30 and 50 is 450.